up guys, this is your boy DJY and we're back with another episode. In Hip Hop DX interview, legendary Akon said that he had a beautiful relationship with Game, but on the other hand, it's impossible to make collaboration with him while he had beef with 50 Cent. He also said that 50 told him he wanted the best for the game. 50 knows what he's doing, bro. He is real boss. Now guys, check this out. Akon talking about his relationship with Game and 50 Cent.
And me and Game got a pretty good relationship as well. And Game needed some records from me. So I had this crazy record that I had for Game, but I felt it would only be right if I reached out to 50 first, because it wouldn't make sense for him and 50 to be going through what they're going through, and me and 50 having a relationship and then also having a relationship with Game, but just ignoring what they're going through and just go do that and work with them. You know what I'm saying? So I reached out to 50 and I went to see him, played him the records. And 50 was like straight up, like, man, you know, I always wanted good for the kid. Like, he's like, oh, that's all good. He the boss, nigga, whatever. Let's go.
Guys, honestly, this interview is too dope. Big shout out to Hip Hop DX for making it happen. This is highly appreciated. So, Akon also said that he had a bunch of the unreleased tracks with Game and he will drop in proper time. So, man, we have some dope music on the way. Please guys, scratch the beef and we need less drama, more music like Crazy Bone said. We want some new hot tracks, bro. Now guys, let's move to the next topic.
We have topic about Queen of Hip Hop Nicki Minaj. You know guys that Rolling Loud Festival has descended up in New York City once again. Concert took place in Queens, New York, and there was star-studded rappers list who performed. For example, Lil Uzi, Playboi Carti, DaBaby, Lil TJ, Chief Keef, and many more. During Friday's show, Nicki Minaj became a trending topic as she had the crowd hype. Nicki performed her hits, and also during performance she brought out Lil Uzi Vert, and they together performed the song The Way Life Goes, the 2017 song. Also, rapper Fivio Foreign and Bia joined Nicki Minaj on stage, and they together did amazing live performance. So before I move to the next topic, let's check this out to Nicki Minaj on Rolling Loud Fest. Come on. Man, this was amazing live performance. Nicki Minaj killed the stage last night. She is the true definition of hip-hop queen. Shout out to Nicki, shout out to Lil Uzi Vert and everyone who performed last night. So today guys, we have also another topic, and our next topic is about Philly MC Meek Mill. Meek Mill teases some new music featuring Philly rapper Lil Uzi Vert. Honestly guys, Meek Mill often dropping snippets, but we need the full song. Meek Mill, drop it ASAP. This is highly anticipated collab by Meek and Lil Uzi, so let's check this out the video of Meek Mill. Come on.
Shorty keep trying to give me that top shit was over tier. She a Scorpio, told her get over here. She fucked that nigga from the upside like I was supposed to care. He brought his baby mama to crib and I was over there.
Man, this is dope song. I hope he and Uzi will drop this song very soon. After announcing his departure from Rock Nation in August, Meek Mill has been unloading the new music as he embarks on his new journey as an independent artist. So I think Meek Mill became more productive after becoming an independent artist. So it was all guys, thank you for watching. It's your channel YTV. If you like the video's content, subscribe to the channel, also get the notification bells and don't forget to visit the website hiphopty.com. Thank you so much for watching, peace.